Hello, I'm back with another video, and I'm just sort of crying because I watched The Book of Life, and it was the best movie I've ever seen, and I watched it like a million times already, but like I watched it again because it was so good. I'm fighting myself, I just can't look. Oh, this is a trailer. I watch it on Netflix. So, not really spoiler alert, but a little bit. Well, guess what? I love that movie, and I don't know why I'm doing this, but look, this, I just found this out. I just found it out. I love The Book of Life. It's just so good. Yeah. X. Sanchez. No. What did I just do? Hey. IP soon, maybe. Oh yeah. Or MSP. I'm excited because oh my god, I'm sorry. You got it. Hey. So this is full screen, so you could like oh my god. I love Book of Life. So basically there's two people called Maria Sanchez, someone else. And yeah. So the two friends are in love with her, and yeah, then it's yours to watch. It's just so good. Sorry, I just love this movie. Okay, I cannot stop talking about that. My room is ugly, but who cares? Let's see. Oh, why? No VIP gifts. I really want this. I'm gonna say something. Oh yeah, I got like so much. I don't care. It doesn't look like your work because you got home clothes in now. This is scary. Okay, this is not fake. Not my sisters or anything. God knows. I literally have 80 star coins. You could do your quests doing your quests will yeah, no, I want to block him. He's scaring me. Is he gonna like type or something? Nope. Listening to Alpha calls like, wow, here we go again. I just hate. Look at this. Okay, you know how this is a new account and all, and I'm like very ugly. I have like 1,000,000 people saying, "But you're so cute. Oh my god." Dublin boy MSP. It's a new time. Subscribe, please. Oh my god. Yay! I'll get 3 subscribers. Yes, 100 link fame. Ooh! Oh my god, that's too loud. Okay. Nine more fame? Ugh! Well, at least we can give autos, so. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What did I just do? Purple. I guess. I don't know what to do. I feel kind of weird because I always used to play on Irish MSP. I'm having heartburn. Okay, I'm dying. I'm fine, guys. Okay. I thought it was going to be one, but for some reason it just didn't. Let's see what kind of is there horror? Is horrors where the hackers are? Oh yeah. Police are at my house. And this. Yeah, Miss Outrage is actually on this. Let me stop recording. Okay. Oh yeah, it's Madame. I don't know how she changed her name, but she kinda did. Look! It's actually the real her, like, I'm not joking. She's been like a member, I think, since 2011. Yeah, June 2013. Oh my god, she's scary. Doesn't have any words, and she's level 6, okay? Back in 2015, she was level 4. Now she's level 6. 2,796 fame. This is not gonna even get me close to finishing. I just want like fame boost. If I get fame boost, it'll be halfway done. Do that. I'm gonna plan my VIP stuff. Because I'm gonna get VIP, okay? Sorry, I'm just clapping ass. Ooh! 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 Ew, the hell's that? You think anyone's gonna buy that? Garbage. Ooh, that's sexy, schmexy. This is the best lips for a boy. All you have to do is put it like the skin color, your skin color for the lips. You could barely see that it's different, like a really slight difference. Or like, no. Yes. And then you put this to white and it looks so good. Actually, the difference is very noticeable. Okay. I guess that's all we'll do. And then, like, I'm not gonna make those like accounts that are like, what do you call it? Like aesthetic, which are like really, really pale skin. Yes, the lips are gone though. Third page, first one. Yes, I'm gonna buy that when I have the VIP. Which, if you didn't know, I'm gonna get 1 month VIP plus a silver pack, which will be 220 diamonds and 30,000 star coins. So maybe if you're a fan, join add me on MSP and UK server, and I might give you a greet or a wishy or whatever. Which one you want? Greet or wishy? If the wishy is more than 800, I am not gonna buy it for you. I'm sorry. Okay, but I might give this away. Might. So if I have over 15 subscribers by June 20th, after June 20th, like more than at least 30, I'm gonna give away this, and I'm gonna choose any account. I'm gonna choose it fairly by a random, like I'm gonna put your names in a spinny thing. It's gonna spin and it's gonna land on whoever, and I'm gonna buy it and send it as a code, because you guys will surely not allow me on your accounts, because yeah, I'm gonna buy it as a code, like by doing one of this. Wait, you have to go in here and buy like a code. Wait, can I buy like normal VIP as a code? Sorry. I love code.uk, just so wholesome. Like, everyone be doing what they do. They'll be doing like fun stuff. Okay. Well, shoot, I guess I'm gonna buy 1 week of Star VIP. And if I get like 50,000, I'm gonna give away 1 year. Okay. Only if I get 50,000, but I'm probably not gonna get 50,000 because I'm cringe, and I'm gonna be right back. Wow, this has been 14 minutes. I didn't even notice. Bye, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2 because, no, I don't know. But, like, bye.